Okay, so we're going to learn about the color pink and more colors. So I'm going to just make some videos about pink and purple and yellow and all that, and ask you some questions about it. So, if you like the color pink, clap your hands. If you love the color pink, clap your hands. I'm not a big fan of pink, but I am a big fan of orange. Kind of difficult. But anyways, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So we're about to learn the color pink, and we have a question. You're gonna answer some of the questions right quick. So once I put it up, you can answer the questions, and then it has some questions about if you like the color pink. So you put either one of these, or you can just put I hate the color pink, infinity. It doesn't matter. Well, you could add more things to it than difficult things, but here are the questions. Is your favorite color pink? Question. Number 1, yes. Number 2, no. Number 3, maybe. Or number 4, too fat. Or number 4, fat and inside. Pick one of those, and I'm going to put it back up on the color pink. So if you do not like the color pink, you can put infinity. I hate the color pink. I hate it. I hate it like macaroni and cheese, but I really love macaroni and cheese. And we'll have some food types and everything like that all bunched up together. And since if you like the color pink, just tell me, because I don't like my whole room is pink. No, not like that. I don't love it like that, but I really like the color orange right now because it's very creative. It's light. It's summer colors. So I like color orange, which is I'm writing it down. I'm writing it down. So since I like the color orange, I wanted to let it all go out. But if you like, oh, I hate the color pink. If I eat anything pink, it goes down to the diarrhea zone. Not like that, but you could put that, but really, I don't hate pink like that. I don't hate it like, I hate it like I never wear color pink. If I see something pink, I go out the, like that, no. I was going to tell a story and everything on the next video. So once I tell the story, I might tell a story, but I'm not sure. But I might just say infinity stories and all that. But I will make some stories and subscribe, because if you don't, this is your face. I just got that off of that girl who knew nothing. But seriously, I don't know. So if you like the color pink, subscribe.